Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on X. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up X and click on your profile icon on the top left. Once you're on here, you can click on the little moon symbol on the bottom left, and then it'll just give you multiple options. So usually it'll be set as off. You can obviously just turn it on, so no matter what your device is set up as, it will remain on X, or you can obviously use device settings. Then you'll have an additional option of either dim or lights out. Obviously the lights out option is a little bit darker. If you don't have the little moon symbol on the bottom left, when you click on your profile picture, you can click on settings, and if you scroll down to accessibility and display, then click on display, you should see dark mode. So you can click on there and it will bring up the exact same options as well. Thanks for watching.